In this video, I will show you how to set profile photo on Snapchat. Okay, let's get started. Now go to your Snapchat app. Click on profile icon menu. Now click on profile, publish profile. Click here. Now click on pencil icon. Click here and click here pencil icon and photos. Select the profile picture. Click here. Profile picture edited. Now profile picture edit. Now click on confirm. Click here. Wait for profile picture set. This way you can set profile photo on Snapchat. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.